1590, Roanoke Island, America. All 117 inhabitants of the island had suddenly disappeared. The word Croatan was mysteriously left behind. 1872, Atlantic Ocean. The ship Marie Celeste was discovered adrift on the Atlantic Ocean. No crew was found. The last entry in the log ended abruptly. December 4th, my wife, Marie. 1976, Yamijima, Japan. All inhabitants had disappeared overnight with the sound of a siren. One man was discovered, left on the island, insane.
サイレンが鳴ったら外へ出てはならない。サイレンが鳴ったら外へ出てはならない。サイレンが鳴ったら外へ出てはならない。